Want to learn data science for free? You're in the right place. The digital age has made it possible to acquire essential skills and knowledge without spending a dime, and data science is no exception. Now, let's dive into some of the top resources you can use to learn data science for free. First up, online courses. Platforms like Coursera, edX, and Khan Academy are treasure troves of knowledge, offering a variety of courses on data science. A great example is the Introduction to Data Science course offered by the University of Washington on Coursera. This course is a fantastic starting point for anyone looking to delve into the world of data science. Next on the list, YouTube tutorials. YouTube is an ocean of educational content, and when it comes to data science, it's no different. Channels such as Centex, Subhashini Data Science, and Corey Schaefer provide rich tutorials on programming languages like Python, machine learning, and data analysis. These channels offer practical demonstrations, making it easier to grasp complex concepts. Last but not least, we have interactive platforms. Websites like Kaggle and DataCamp provide interactive challenges and projects, allowing you to get hands-on experience. Kaggle offers datasets and competitions where you can apply your skills in real-world scenarios. On the other hand, DataCamp guides you through the learning process step by step with its interactive courses. In conclusion, learning data science for free is not only possible, but it's also highly accessible. Remember, the key to mastering any skill lies in your curiosity and consistent practice. So, go ahead, take advantage of these resources and embark on your journey to become a data scientist. The world of data is waiting for you.